Well, Happy New Year, everybody, and welcome to a new format for daily devotions. Just little thoughts that we're going to throw out probably several times during the day. Let's start with Genesis. In Genesis chapter 1, verses 3 to 5, then God said, "Let there be light," and there was light. And God saw that the light was good. Then he separated the light from the darkness, and God called the light day and the darkness night. I want you to notice, from the very beginning of creation, from the very first step of creation, God separates light and darkness. Darkness, of course, refers to sin, light, the presence of God. God has always separated light and darkness. Now, this is a separating factor. It's not legalism, it's the presence. The presence is always separated from darkness. Now, look over down to verse 14 and through 19 then. Then God said, "Let lights appear in the sky to separate the day from the night. Let them be signs to mark the seasons, days, and years. Let these lights in the sky shine down on the earth." And that is what happened. And God made two great lights. The larger one, referring to the sun, to govern the day, and the smaller one to govern the night. Now notice, light has a purpose. It not only separates from the darkness, it governs. The greater light, the sun, governs the day, and the lesser light, the moon, governs the night. You say, "Well, Pastor, the moon doesn't radiate any light." Yes, I know, but it reflects light. So it is even reflected light, it is reflected truth that governs darkness. Now, I could begin to preach on that for hours, but I want you to understand, light always triumphs over darkness. Light, from the very beginning of creation, governs the darkness. Truth always rules.